Hello, so let me show you something. Today it's Sunday, May 29th, 2016. Now it's 15:26 and we are in the storm, and this is the forecast from Meteo company from Croatia. Whole country under yellow alert. Meteorologists warn that there may be more pronounced thunderstorms. Now, let me show you something. I live in the northern Adriatic. This is where I live, here. This is the northern Adriatic. So look this. Meteorological and Hydrological Institute announced that Sunday partly sunny it was partly sunny because it was partly sunny before the noon, with variable cloudiness and very warm weather. It's true. Local showers and thunder, which may be more pronounced, are expected by the middle of the day in the northern Adriatic and in the afternoon elsewhere. So, at 13, almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, it starts the shit weather. We have thundering, we have rain, and let me now show you this a fucking coincidence. This is the orbit of the Catalina V4. This is Rijeka in the northern area of Adriatic. Here it is. This is my place. This is the orbit, and it starts a bad weather. I mean, what is the possibility for such a coincidence? Every time when some shit is happening, this comet is here near or orbit, it's passing through this area. So think about that. How can I possibly set up something like this? I cannot. No. And this is it. So this is the middle of the day, 13:14. We can go back. Let me show you. In the middle of the day, let's say that it's a noon. Middle of the day, it's a noon. Now watch this. Watch. This is all coast. This is. Let me show you what I'm showing you here. So I'm showing you this. This is where I live, and this orbit is passing here, right to the coast of Adriatic coast, and this is here. This is the orbit. So first it's Rijeka, because when this passes to the Rijeka orbit, it's away from the coast of from the rest of the coast of Croatia. So more. Let me show you this, because you probably don't understand what. So when hours went forward, let me show you what happens. I will go to 300. Look at how it's closing to the Adriatic coast. Here, you see that? You see it here? And don't forget, now it's, let me show what it's now. It's 15:29. Here is the orbit, but don't forget the US-10 is somewhere near here, and also other comets. But only this comet is passing in this direction in that time. No other comets have any orbit along the Adriatic coast except the comet of Catalina. Yes, there is one. It's a hill, Comet Hill. I will show you that just a moment. 300, and we go back to the noon, and I will show you the Comet Hill, which also it's next to this comet, which may cause a trouble. So I don't know what is on the other side. I can see it. So look at that. Look at where it's passing. Right through Rijeka. Here it is. This is the northern Adriatic coast. So let's see, Comet Hill. Is it here or it's not? Yes, it is, but Comet Hill it will pass later here. See, it's after. So this is not causing by Comet Hill, but Comet Hill is past. So now we can go and see what is on the other side of the comet, where the comet is attached. So let me see. It goes down, down, down. Here it is. Here is the moon. Here's the line of the moon and line of the other. This is the RB3 Pan star, Catalina Pan star, and this is the V4. Now let me see. Where are the planets here? I expect Neptune or something close, because this is always tied to the Mars, Saturn. You see, it's Mars. It's Mars. I told you it must be. It's always something on the other side. What is attached for this orbit of this? Look at the distance. So in the case that the Mars was here, we can expect more trouble and bigger trouble. I realized, I followed this situation, and I realized every time when the Mars is near, we have a lot of earthquakes and a lot of trouble with Mars. Every time, every past earthquake in the last month, it was in April and March, was tied to the Mars and Catalina combination. So this is it. This is it. I don't know where is the moon. I can see where is the moon, and I can show you here is Jupiter. And what is in alignment here on the other side, I don't know, but I can watch. I can take a look. This is the Catalina US 10. This one here. No, nothing is from this side. What is on here on this side? That must be somewhere here. Let's see. Venus and the Sun are on the opposite direction. Venus and the Sun are on the opposite direction. See here? So this is it. Thank you very much and stay tuned.